got Lila down for a nap. So this is the point in the morning where I get a little bit of cleaning done. She usually destroys my bathroom while I am getting ready, which is fine. It's adorable. In fact, I don't mind it at all, but this is where I will clean up. I did want to show you, where did I put my lip product? I did want to show you a couple things that I applied today, just because I think some of you might be interested. So let me take a little look around. I've lost it. Well, pretty sudden change of events. Lila slept for a total of 10 minutes and then she woke up. I tried to like rock her back to sleep, give her pacifier. She would not go back to sleep. That was so naughty. Anyway, she is not gonna nap this morning. Dang it. So this is gonna be a little bit more difficult to get my work done, but I am gonna try and do some. Okay, so the lip, I found it. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This one is in the shade Lover, and I like it because it's just a nice pink. And then what I used for my, let's see, what should I tell you? My blush. Oh yeah, okay, so this is this little blush and bronzer duo that I got in my Ipsy bag. This is by Pacifica, which is a cruelty-free brand. You can buy it at like Target. And this is in the shade Bronzed Rose. The only thing I will say about that one is that it smells kind of strong. It definitely has a rosy scent, so if you're not into that, you won't like it, but I think it's pretty on the face. Okay, should we get some cleaning done? We're gonna do our best. Whew, here we go.
We found love here, together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. You got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue eyes, so I can't let you go without telling you this now. I wanna see you.
I have been waiting like all year for the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent to come out. I can't believe how early they release it. We're in the middle of summer and here we have fall already coming out. I know brands like to do that, but I'm using it because it smells so good and it just makes my house feel warm and cozy. So some of you might want to go and like pick these up and save them. I do have one backup that I'm not gonna touch until like September, but I am gonna be using this one bottle just to enjoy it now. Mrs. Meyer's also came out with like an acorn something scent, acorn maple. I'm not really sure, but it looks brand new. I've never ever seen it before and I cannot wait to try it. I might have to order it online, but if you guys love fall scents, then there is the apple cider and then the new acorn fall scent. So anyway, let's go ahead and use this. This one is sweet but spicy and just absolutely amazing. Such a warm and cozy scent. So I'm gonna be using it. I'm excited.
When I get there, I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but when I see you,
It is 20 to noon, so we have pretty much made it through this entire morning. Evan and Blake have been so helpful. They helped me by watching Lila so that I could come down here, get my dishes done, clean up from breakfast just in time to start lunch. Let me know if you guys relate to this with little kids. I feel like right when you finish cleaning up after one meal, it's time to start the next. It's totally fine. I never want to sound like I'm complaining because I really don't mind, but it's just hashtag mom life, and I know we can relate. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned because one of my upcoming videos very soon is going to be some new home decor. In fact, as I was shooting this, I was really careful of the angle so that you couldn't really see some of the new things that I've done, because I'm really excited to kind of reveal it all, and I did something really cool upstairs too. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, because that will be coming your way shortly. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, a happy summer, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!